I was telling my wife that there was a school in Jumeriah. She was arguing with me, Maple Bear, because I remember I know I saw one. What's nursery? So it's not like a school for Amber and Jasmine, but it's in nursery. And there's another one over there. I don't know what it's called. There. But yeah. Let's walk in the shadows, guys. There used to be a hostel on the 13th floor, mostly Russian. There. Okay. A hospital. Yeah, this was the go-to supermarket, you know. Either I'll come here 24 hours, by the way. So, let me take the stairs. So that you guys can see what the staircase is like. The things I do for y'all. I'm out of shape. But this is the reason why I took this route, because it led me direct to the tram. And that's the tram station in front. So I just need to cross the road. Nobody coming so I can cross. Marina JBR traffic. Okay, I need to tap. Okay.